Well, today was his birthday. And he drove out there to watch his dog run the surf, and a couple waves got run, and that was the end of that. His father-in-law's there with a Nissan four-wheel drive. His father-in-law pulled down, hooked a strap to him, gave him one pull, buried the Nissan. They cut the strap. His father-in-law backed out there and said, "You got to call somebody. There's no way I'm going to get you out." So we could have had a whole family affair going there. Instead, we just got the young man. His wife said it's his birthday and that he's a professional diver. So I can't tell you his nickname on the radio, but it's a pretty good nickname. Anyway, we got him out. I'm heading back to Ocean Park. Oh, here goes another dog. The Hills, George speaking. Which, the Toyota? Yeah, it won't start. What's it doing? Okay, I'll be right there. You bet. I think he's got the transfer case all bound up. He can't get it to work, and now he's got the gears jammed up. I'm pretty sure we just gotta start it back at low range, put him in reverse, and back up. Hang on a minute. Okay, put it down low range four-wheel drive.
Low range four-wheel drive.
And then back up.
Thank you, sir.
Gotta be something.
Low four.
Back up real easy. Back on up. Okay, now stop right there. What I want you to do now, I want you to put it in high range four-wheel drive. Back up real easy. Okay, now put it in two-wheel drive. Go forward easy. Hold it. Is that tire sliding over there?
It looks like it's not going anywhere. This one does, this one doesn't.
You're full of sand. Hang on a minute.
Full of sand?
Yeah.
I know.
Put it in four-wheel drive and back up a little bit. I think you got clear full of sand. Watch yourself. Just back up a little ways. Just keep backing up. Watch yourself. Okay, now you're in hard stand. Are you in two-wheel drive or four-wheel drive?
Are you in 2 or 4?
Okay, now try to go forward. Nope. Put it in reverse and back up again. Turn your wheel left and right. Okay, try and go forward now. Try and go forward. Hang on a minute. Did somebody try and pull you out frontwards?
No. The only person that pulled on me was you.
I thought he hooked onto you too.
He hooked onto me from the back.
Poke that stuff out right there. You got something. What is that? Your brake?
That's my brake pad.
Is it hot?
Oh yeah, nothing's hot there.
Weird. Hang on a minute. Clear full of sand up in here. Okay, hold it right there. What's that? What's that?
Oh, my brake is coming through the fucking...
You know, my only thought would be maybe you got a broken axle in the front and it's like, you know, that little CV joint's jamming up, or it's the brakes.
It could be a broken axle?
Well, you got that CV joint in it. It's because what happens, the other tires, the four-wheel drive's working.
Yeah.
It's rolling, so this one's not.
See, the
I mean, you
brakes
should-
are axle.
Are they hot now? Or
No, you're saying
it's brake. Oh, its brakes are out. Yeah, I don't understand. Get back in there and go hard right, hard left, and reverse, and let's just look at it. Like put it hard right and back up. In one big circle, just going easy. Keep going. Not hearing any noise.
No grinding.
Okay, now go hard right and go forward. Actually go hard right and go backwards again now. No, hard left and backwards. Keep going. That axle looks fine. Okay, now go straight and see if it can go forward. Nope, locked right up. It's almost like there's something in the wheel. Now go forward again. Nothing. Nope. Shit. What you probably better do is, I mean, you got a couple hours here. If you got to go around, I would say put it in reverse, back down the approach, get it off the approach, get it off the beach, have them follow you when you're ready to leave, get it off the beach, and then you might have to call for a tow truck or pull the wheel off.
Yeah,
Pull the wheel off and look at it. There you go again. God damn, you're having a hell of a time. I cannot figure out why.
It doesn't make sense.
It really doesn't. Go ahead, back up again. We'll go backwards. Doesn't make sense. Got one coming.
All right.
All right, stay down the hard stuff. Don't go up the soft stuff. I just go ahead and do your thing up here and then make sure you get off the beach. I have no idea what's locking that up. It just,
It makes sense that my parking brake worked great before and now it's coming through the thing.
well, no, because that's all the rear end. But the only thing, I mean, it almost makes me think that maybe a brake pad has pulled loose. I'm thinking maybe a brake pad. Oh, shit, no. Look here. Look at your brake. Broke and clear off. See that?
Okay.
Look right there. Nope.
Sorry, I hit the thing.
Yep. Look right there.
Okay,
Your
so
brake
how do
pad-
I get this home?
You know how to put brakes on a rig?
Look,
Huh?
I mean, it takes an hour.
If you got a jack, have him run you down to Napa, give him the VIN number, and pick up a front rotor, or not rotor, a front caliper. And with pads.
Pads are brand new. I literally just put them on. I'll get new ones anyways, yeah.
I've never seen one break like that before. But that's
Brand new.
Do you have a pry bar? Do you have a pry bar in there?
I do.
You have a pry bar.
I got pry bars, I got...
Grab your pry bar.
Well, actually...
Now the minute you step on the brake, it's gonna jam up again. But we can probably get it where you can at least drive it off the beach. A tire iron with a flat piece on it.
There's one right here.
Okay, use the flat.
I need my...
You use the flat piece, see if you can't pry that brake, pry it back against the wheel. Did it move?
Back?
Did it move?
Pry it towards me?
No, no, go to the wheel. No, go be there, right in there, and see if you can't pry it away from the wheel.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
You might have, oh, there, that moved there. Now look at the bottom one.
Holy fuck.
It's broken. Yeah.
It snapped that motherfucker right
Yeah.
off.
I think if you loosen that, see if you can't do the bottom of it now. That bolt might stop you. Okay, now if you touch your brakes,
It's gonna move.
it's gonna jam up. But as long as you don't, I think if you go forward now, do not touch your brakes.
Michael,
try it.
we're doing a brake job.
I can't imagine what would have broken that brake. Just try and go forward real easy, but don't touch your brakes.
All right.
And don't trust that it won't slip on you and lock up. So
Yes, sir.
I wouldn't go any further than got a broken caliper.
Oh, really?
Don't touch your brakes. Now you can roll. The caliper broke and went into the wheel. And so if you touch the brakes, it rolls right into it. Okay.
I don't know what you want. This
No,
is
he's
the
good.
biggest-
He's good.
the biggest
Come
tools
here,
I
come here.
have.
We're good. Come here, look at this.
He's
Me and
gonna.
you- Me and you are buying a brake
I've never
test.
seen a caliber
We're
break.
going to
No, I
Napa
haven't either.
and we're changing brakes before we leave. Dad, come here. Look at this. You gotta land on it. Come here. Snap. My brake caliper is snap.